Hi everyone. I'm recording with Zoom this time because I wanted you guys to see my face. So, all right. So, we're going to talk about the rest of the semester. The worst is behind us. It was great having you guys as a class. So, hopefully, this last few assignments will give you the opportunity to just kind of get in those last few extra points at the end. And so let's just dive right into it. I'm going to cover all the last assignments that you have due and try to answer any questions that I anticipate you might have. Okay. So the very first thing that we have due is going to be the group dynamics essay assessment. Sorry. So it's due on April 30th at midnight. And here it is. It is going to be done individually, not as a group. So you're going to write 5 to 7 sentence paragraph on each member of your small group, 5 to 7 paragraph on you as a member of the group, and lastly 5 to 6 sentence paragraph focused on those things. So it's pretty straightforward. The point of this assessment is just to show what you've learned from this whole group communication thing, as we have covered that chapter from the book. You want to be looking, you want to be reflecting on how the group functioned and how you were as a member, and what you learned as a result of this. So those are these general things that you want to be taking away, and all of that is right here. And the requirements are that there is proper grammar, spelling, punctuation. You want to have a topic sentence for each new paragraph, so you still want to have like transitions and clear writing, and you want it to be double spaced. Oh, this is wrong. It's 30 points actually, not 20. But you can see that in right here. Oh, sorry, right here. So then we have submit to Canvas as a Word document or a PDF, whichever. So I think actually it might be currently set to, yeah, no, that's fine. PDF or Word, yeah, exactly. So you want to submit this assessment by April 30th by midnight. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. So that's the very first thing that is due. Now we go back to the assignments, and the next thing after that you're going to have due at the same time as the missed assignments. So the missed assignments is, if you don't remember, I said that everybody could submit one assignment that they have missed that wasn't an in-class assignment. So it could be a quiz or anything else. And you could submit that, and I would still take off points, but you can get that in. So that is due on April 30th at midnight as well. So make sure that you don't miss that deadline. All right, so that should be pretty straightforward. Oh, and please do email me if you do that. Now, I haven't updated syllabus, and I haven't put that information on there. I also haven't updated the syllabus for the post-test deadline. The post-test deadline on the syllabus was an approximation, and it's wrong. The post-test deadline, the correct one, is the one that has been posted in the post-test window and the one that is sent out as an announcement. So that deadline for the post-test is due on May 1st at 5 p.m. And I'm trying to find the post-test. There we go. So May 1st at 5 p.m. It is worth 20 points. And the post-test, only fill it out if it is, if you have filled out the pre-test. Otherwise, you're not going to get the points. So that's really straightforward. Just click on the link. I don't know what other questions you could have about it. If you do, please let me know. I will be happy to answer them. And then the other thing that is that you should try to get done by May 1st is the teacher course evaluations. So please do those. They're very useful to us to try to see what areas we have to improve upon. And we try to work really hard to meet all of your needs. So we've talked about the final reflection, the post-test, the teacher course evaluations, group dynamics, sorry, the last thing we haven't talked about is the final reflections. So the final reflections are right here, and it's May 5th that it is due, so the last day of class, and it's going to be at 5 p.m. But I suggest you get it done earlier because you don't really have that much due. So the final reflection video is also done individually, and you're just going to submit a YouTube link, and it is just providing advice for the incoming students of CIS 111. What was your favorite part of the course? What was the biggest challenge? What can they do to be particularly successful in this class? What are like the big picture lessons that you'll take with you as you go through the rest of your college career? These are all these things that could be helpful to the students that will take this class in the future. So this final reflective speech that you'll be recording should be 2 to 3 minutes long. Seems pretty straightforward as well. If you took CIS 110, then you've already done this before. Here's the breakdown of the grading if you need it. Let me know if you have any questions about that. So now, yes, we have talked about the final reflection due May 5th at midnight. The post-test is due May 1st at 5 p.m. The teacher course evaluations try to get done by May 1st. Group dynamics, April 30th, midnight. Missed assignments, any missed assignments, April 30th, midnight. These are all the rest of the things that you have to get done, and the semester is over. So if you have any more questions, let me know. And I've also gone through and applied everyone's freebie coupons who hasn't applied them, who needed them. So your attendance should be displayed accurately on Canvas. If you have absolutely anything else that you need to grade or look at, any concerns, you need to try to get that into me by April 30th or so that I have enough time to look at it and change your grade if perhaps you notice that something is very, very off or something. So it's another deadline for you. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your summer, and hopefully COVID will be over soon. You guys have been a wonderful class. I've really appreciated all the energy, the friendliness, the helpfulness that you guys have, and also the levels of participation. I wish you guys all the best in your further careers.